Welcome to our channel, Two Desert Rats in Belize. We are just two middle-aged Americans trying to figure out how to move to Belize full-time. Until then, we visit as much as we can. We are working on our house, making new friends, learning about the culture, taking adventures, and we want to share these things with you. Hello, Belize! Vista today to go to a store called Grace of God that is kind of like, they have everything, hardware, furniture, just everything. Come to do a little shopping, see if they have any wood grain styled zinc siding, and so I'm going to show it to you today. It's just after the big Chinese store. Does that seem right? I think, I'm not sure which one, but one of these. If we turn too early, I think that you can just go down one block and over. Bit difficult to find, so that's why I wanted to show you guys the directions. Oh yeah, back here, Chris, there's samples on the wall. That's what we're looking for right there. Now if we could just figure out how to get it to Mango Creek from here. Chris, I found the tin if they have it in stock. They have it on the wall. We're also looking for a washing machine.
How much is the 13?
The best price I can offer is $95.
Okay. I only need one that big.
I've also been wanting a wardrobe, place to hang our clothes up. This one's nice.
Our phone number, so in case you want to order
Yep.
anything, you just call me, send me pictures of how you want that, and then we are going to tell you immediate when you come and prices.
You
and
guys
everything.
deliver to
Where?
Independence?
Yes, sir, we do.
Okay. It's $12.50 a foot.
$12.50 a foot. Do you charge to deliver to Independence?
No, Independence, no, because we always have trip to Independence, like that. So whenever
Okay.
we have a trip to Independence, we carry your items.
we got us a Belizean washing machine, so no more washing our clothes in the bucket. We just put the feet on it. We're trying to decide where we're going to put it up here. So this is how a Belizean washing machine works. So on this side, you put your clothes in, and there's an out. You put the water hose going in here. You fill it with water, put your soap in, wash your clothes. Then you take it out and you put it in here, and it spins it dry. Now, we've been told that most Belizeans don't even hook up the water. They just dump buckets of water into it. And then they take it out and they rinse their clothes in the bucket. And then they put it in the spinner. But it does come with an outlet. An inlet. It does come with an inlet for the spinner, so you can rinse it. And I think we're gonna give it a try. See how it works. I read the directions, and tomorrow we're gonna get all of the PVC pipe and everything to like plumb water into it and drain it. But for right now, we just want to try it out. We're so excited. And so we got a little cord to reach so we can come over here, and we have the little drain coming off of it, and we are just gonna go ahead and fill it up with a bucket. Let's give this a try. There's not. I don't know where to stop. Yes, I did. It just says to desired level. I guess it just... That's not very much water. But I thought you were doing socks.
Oh, I got socks, shirts, some chonies.
Oh, don't put those whites in there with these.
They're not gonna bleed.
Okay.
They'll work socks.
Okay. So I'm gonna just like...
This out.
No, that's okay. Wait. It says to put the soap in first and dissolve it, and you're also standing in front of my video.
Sorry. Yeah, I'll just put this stuff right there.
Okay.
Should've just turned it on. You know, would have mixed it all up.
Oh, well, I don't think that. I think maybe we do need more water. Maybe till it like covers the... Ew, your clothes stink.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit more. There, I think that's good. Okay. So we're gonna turn the wash timer to 15. Whoa! Ah! Yeah, so it like spun one way and then it stopped and started spinning the other way. So this is what they call a semi-automatic washing machine. It was beeping, letting us know it was almost done. It just finished. Okay, so I think what I've decided I'm gonna do is, oh wait. First we have to drain it, I forgot. One thing at a time. Okay, set to drain. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the laundry out of the wash tub and put it in the spin tub. Okay, so it's to press it down.
Did you all the way around, not to one side?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I made it even. Okay, so now
Stand back and see how bad it shakes.
now we're going to spin timer. We're just going to do 1 minute.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do better than that.
You think it? Okay, let's stop. That's a little rough. That's even though. That's even. Maybe it's supposed to be that way. Maybe it's I don't know. Let's try again. There it goes.
Much better. Hopefully spun out a bunch more water.
It did? Okay. Now I'm going to put the laundry back in the wash tub. And dump enough water to go over the clothes. Oh, it's on drain. Oops. Okay. It's a good thing we got extra water. Okay, maybe a little bit more water. Okay, that's covering the clothes. So now I'm just gonna sit it back on the wash timer like around 5 minutes to give it a good rinse, and then I'll put it back in and spin it again. Okay, we're almost finished rinsing now. Okay, drain. We have come a million miles from washing our clothes in the bucket. Now we're gonna spin it again. Mash it down. Okay, I think it said 5 minutes for a good spin. Now I don't have to wring out the clothes. It does. I'm just testing to see. I just gotta try everything out. Okay, it finished its spin. Whoa. Like, they're pretty dry. I'm impressed. Alrighty. This is everything Chris got washed. It will totally take more than that, but we didn't want to. We didn't want to put too much in our first time. We wanted to try it out. So I'm gonna leave these open for a little bit so they can kind of dry out, maybe not get mildewy. And Chris installed the ceiling fan yesterday. That's gonna help the laundry get dry even faster.